In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva, and this is going to a overview tutorial for using Canva. You can find canva.com by searching on Google, like search it like this, Canva, canva.com, and you will get in this page, and you will have to sign up for this. You can use your Google Gmail ID to use it, and it's very simple. You can easily do that. So let's just introduce you how the Canva actually work. Actually, you can use Canva for your essential needs, daily needs, such as for your t-shirts, docs, presentations, social media, designs, or even for your videos as well. Though we are not going to talk about the video part in this tutorial, but I will give you a rough overview, so you can understand how it works. So this is as long as this is for a beginner tutorial, I'm not going to show you all of the stuff. Before you using the Canva, you must decide what you want to design with it. I'm going to design a social media post for it. I'm going to design a social media post using Canva. But before that, let's introduce you some of the tab. Right in this screen, you can see a lot of things. There are some categories, and there are some designs which I have designed earlier, which is called homepage. As you can see in this tab, this called homepage, and after below this, you can find it project. In this project, you will find your recent project which you have done and saved. You can find it here, and just after that you can find template, and there are a lot of the templates in here, like doc, whiteboards, booklets, flyers, t-shirt, logo, presentation, and so on. You can find it with your needs, and after that you will find a brand tab, where you can upload your logo and color other stuff. But to be noted, this will be only for pro users. If you consider to use Canva for pro, if you have a Canva Pro subscription, you can use it for your project. And after that you will find apps, where you can find a lot of tools, where you can find AI powered some amazing tools, which is the topic for another video. We'll talk later. And after that, a dream lab, this is a AI tool as well. With this tool you can create such amazing image like this, but let's not talk about that. And today we are going to um, design a social media post, which is I'm going to use for Instagram. And as you can see, when I click on this more icon, you can see there are a lot of categories what you want to design. If you just click doc, and there you can see a lot of templates and whiteboards and so on. You get the idea, right? So let's dive in what I was talking about. So I'm going to type Instagram. After typing the Instagram, I can see there is two type of post. Instagram post 4:5, and another one is square. I'm going to choose square. You can also choose custom Instagram. For custom size, you can click on this in here, and you can type in your exactly value what you actually need, and create a new design for you. But for this video I'm going to just use Instagram square. Instagram, and I will choose the 1080 by 1080 pixel. After clicking on that, we are here with a lot of design templates. A quick note for you: when you can see the crown like this on any kind of designs, you must know this. This is a premium version. I mean paid version. To use this template, you need a premium subscription in Canva. So consider it that. But let's find a nice and beautiful um, template which we can use uh, for our Instagram post. Right. So we are going to design a Instagram post for a fashion brands, and I have already written a title or a slogan for that. Let's just find the best template which will align with our fashion brands. You can browse in like here you can find a lot of categories. I think this template is really go with us, but I can see here a spa related image is used, but we will use another image for that. Let's choose this one, and this is a free one as well. So let's just click on this, and after click on that, we will find this page, a pop-up page, and you will just have to click on this customize this template. After click on the customize this template, you will go through a tab in here. Let me just introduce you some of the tools, so how you can edit actually this design. So on the left here tab, you can find a another others related, related template in here. Like here you can see a lot of other templates as well, and style as well. You can change the color and brand font set. Let's not talk about that in detail. And under the elements tab, you will find a shapes, graphics. If you just click on graphics, you can see the this kind of graphics. As you can see here are two kind of graphics. So you already understanding that if you want to design a custom for your if you have in mind any good design in your mind, you can do it by yourself. And others thing you can find in here, the image as well. If you need any image, you can find it right here, photos, under photos, which we will find in shortly. And chart and others thing, a lot of stuff. Also, here are a couple of frames, grids, which is already pre-made, so you don't have to do a lot of things customize. And under text tab, you will find pre-made template where you can see you can use it for your designs. If we don't like this title, we can just grab and drag. Also note this, here you can see a crown as well. So these also for premium subscribers. And as I have showed you earlier, here you can find a brand tab as well. And here you can find a upload image. I mean, if you want to add a image from yourself, or custom image, or download it from others website, you can find it, the upload from here. If you just click upload, you can upload it here. And draw, you can draw it here. And projects, your recent project you can find here. And under apps, as I have showed you earlier in the home page, You can find it here. And here the magic media is showing you have which apps you have currently, I mean recently used. Those are will be showed in here. This is for a shortcut. So let's dive into the design, how we can improve it. Or so let's just change the image first. So for changing the image, we'll have to go right here, and we need to just let's search for fashion model, and we will find something good and calm which will fit with our design. I think this one will fit with our design. Let's just click and grab and drag, and as you can see, this is already fitting in our design, but let's just make it more bigger so it's grab the attention. And here comes the text part. We will have to uh, write the text, I mean replace the text with this. So I'm going to style that, I mean style going to be on first line. So I just copied from the notepad, select and control plus C. And after selecting the text, if you double click it, these all of the text are selected, and just control V, style. And after second line, I will write that speak before that speak. So now we will place the text that speaks in the second line, and we are going to make the T and space, sorry, S is capital letter. And in the very last line, we need to make it little down. I'm using the arrow key, down arrow key, for make it down. And we will copy this text, press enter, and here we go. And just like that, we have almost done with the design. If you want to change the text color or style, you can do so. Maybe let's change this style color to something like this color, style that speaks. And to match the style, I have decided, let's change this to flower as well. So just like select this, and please press the delete or trash can button, or press the delete key on your keyboard. It's deleted. And we are going to place some graphics here. We will place some leaves here. Let's see, leaves border, leaves outline, graphics. Under the graphics part, all you have to, maybe this, let's click and drag, make it little bit smaller, and just clicking on this, it will be duplicate. We'll have to rotate, flip, horizontal, and it's flipped. And as you can see, our design is done, and all you have to do, just download it. To do that, just click on the share button, and place click download. I'll choose PNG and click download. And as you can see, here is our design, and it's ready to post in your social media account, Instagram or Facebook, whatever you say. So this way you can design anything you like, and if you come to the home, your recent design is showing here. So this is it. I hope you can design your own materials for your own stuff. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.